Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up RVC. First, you'll need to download the RVC software from its official source, typically a GitHub repository. Make sure your computer meets the minimum hardware specifications, especially regarding your graphics processing unit, which should have at least 6 GB of video random access memory. Next, install all required software dependencies, such as Python version 3.10 or higher, and the appropriate PyTorch version for your system. Now, let's prepare your audio dataset. Gather at least 10 minutes of high-quality, clean audio from the voice you wish to convert. It's crucial to remove any background noise or music to achieve the best results. Process these audio files to a consistent sample rate, commonly 44.1 kHz, and convert them to a mono channel. This meticulous preparation is vital for effective model training. With your dataset ready, it's time to train your RVC model. Load your meticulously prepared audio files into the RVC graphical user interface. Carefully configure the training parameters. For instance, setting the number of epochs to around 50 and a batch size of 8 is a good starting point for many users. Initiate the training process and closely monitor its progress, ensuring no errors occur. Finally, you're ready to perform voice conversion. Choose your newly trained RVC model and select an input audio file you wish to transform. Experiment with pitch and timbre adjustments to fine-tune the output to your liking, often starting with a pitch shift of 0 semitones. Generate the converted audio and critically evaluate its quality, making further adjustments as needed for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.